Hello kids, welcome to Grammar by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Let's begin. Before going through the questions, here is a fun activity. Can you find the odd letter from this poster? Look carefully and have fun. Did you spot the number? Well done, kids. Now let's go to the grammar question. Hey kids! Today we are playing a fun verbs game. A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone or something does. Which word is a verb? A. Apple. B. Run. C. Blue. The correct answer is run. Run is an action word. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Fill in the blank. I dash every day. A. Jump. B. Banana. C. Red. The correct answer is I jump every day. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Guess the verb. What is the child doing? A. Apple. B. Child. C. Eat. The correct answer is the verb is eat. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Which one is the action word? A. Sleep. B. Pillow. C. Bed. The correct answer is the verb is sleep. Sleep is something we do. Excellent job, kids. Read and choose. Birds dash. A. Fly. B. Chair. C. Happy. The correct answer is birds fly. Excellent job, kids. Free one-on-one grammar check. Know your child's grammar level in just 30 minutes. Link in the description. Which sentence has a verb? A. The cat. B. The cat runs. C. The red cat. The correct answer is the cat runs. Runs is the verb. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Fill in the blank. She dash a song. A. Sings. B. Yellow. C. Ball. The correct answer is she sings a song. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Guess the verb. The boy dashed to school. A. Walks. B. Cake. C. Green. The correct answer is the boy walks to school. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Find the verb. I read a book. A. Book. B. Read. The correct answer is the verb is read. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Which one is not a verb? A. Dance. B. Hop. C. Table. The correct answer is table. Excellent job, kids. Hey, superstar! Want to show me how well you know your grammar? Ask Mama or Papa to book your grammar challenge below. The baby dash. A. Cries. B. Toy. C. Small. The correct answer is the baby cries. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. Fill in the blank. We dash in the park. A. Play. B. Tree. C. Sunny. The correct answer is we play in the park. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Read and choose the verb. Dad cooks dinner. A. Dinner. B. Cooks. The correct answer is cooks. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. Choose the correct sentence. A. The dog bark. B. The dog barks. C. The dog barks. The correct answer is the dog barks. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. Fill in the blank. I dash my hands before lunch. A. Wash. B. Pillow. C. Purple. The correct answer is I wash my hands before lunch. Excellent job, kids! Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Keep learning. See you next time. Please like the video and subscribe the Grammar for Kids by Planet Spark.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.